Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best triple monitor stands that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting off at number 5, we have the Bondtech Triple Monitor Desk Mount, which is the budget option on our list at just $33.99. This mount supports two 13 to 27-inch monitors on the arms and one 13 to 32-inch screen on the central pole. With a weight capacity of 22 pounds per monitor, it's surprisingly robust for its price point. The full motion adjustability lets you tilt, swivel, and rotate your monitors, ensuring ergonomic benefits like reduced neck and back strain. It even supports landscape and portrait orientations for added flexibility. While the design is simple and functional, the build quality punches above its price range. The metal construction feels solid, and the integrated cable management system is a nice touch to keep your workspace neat. Installation is straightforward, thanks to the included hardware and the choice of C-clamp or grommet mounting options. However, the lack of a gas spring system means adjustments aren't as smooth as with premium models. Overall, the Bondtech Triple Monitor Desk Mount is an excellent choice for those on a budget or new to multi-monitor setups. It's ideal for casual users or home offices, but power users may want to invest in a more advanced model for smoother adjustments and higher durability. Pros include affordability, full motion adjustability, and decent build quality. Cons include less refined adjustability and limited ergonomic features. At number 4, we have the Wally Freestanding Triple Monitor Stand, priced at $72.99. This unique design offers flexibility with its freestanding V-base, making it perfect for users who don't want to drill into their desks or use clamps. It supports monitors up to 27 inches and 22 pounds per arm, with VESA compatibility for 75 by 75 millimeters and 100 by 100 millimeter patterns. The adjustable arms allow for tilt, swivel, and rotation, while the height-adjustable center pole offers added customization. The build quality is solid, with metal construction that feels durable and stable, even when fully extended. The freestanding base is wide and heavy, ensuring stability without tipping over. It also includes a grommet mounting option for those who prefer a more permanent setup. While it lacks gas springs, the adjustments are smooth enough for most users. Cable management is minimal but functional, keeping wires from cluttering your workspace. This stand is perfect for users who value flexibility in placement or have desks that aren't compatible with clamps. It's great for offices, dorms, or shared workspaces. Pros include the freestanding design, sturdy construction, and adjustable features. Cons are the lack of gas spring technology and slightly limited cable management options compared to other models. Coming in at number 3 is the Wally Triple Monitor Mount at $56.99. This model is a fantastic mid-range option for users who need a reliable setup without breaking the bank. It can hold monitors up to 27 inches and 22 pounds per arm, making it suitable for most standard screens. The adjustable arms provide tilt, swivel, and rotation options, allowing for ergonomic setups and easy transitions between landscape and portrait orientations. The design is sleek and modern, with durable alloy steel construction that ensures stability. Installation is relatively simple, with both C-clamp and grommet mounting options available. The detachable plates make attaching monitors a breeze, and the integrated cable management system keeps your workspace tidy. While it lacks gas spring technology, the adjustments are smooth and intuitive. This mount is ideal for professionals who want a quality setup for work or gaming, but don't require premium features. Its sturdy build and adjustability make it a solid choice for multi-monitor configurations. Pros include affordability, strong build quality, and easy installation. Cons are the absence of gas springs and slightly limited adjustability compared to higher-end models. At number 2, we have the Mount-Up Triple Monitor Stand Mount, a heavy-duty model designed for users who prioritize performance and stability. Supporting monitors up to 27 inches and 19.8 pounds per arm, this stand is compatible with both flat and curved screens. It features full adjustability with tilt, swivel, and 360-degree rotation, while the 2 gas spring arms ensure smooth height adjustments and dynamic screen positioning. The build quality is excellent, with premium alloy steel construction that feels sturdy and durable. The center screen has additional height adjustment capabilities on its pole, allowing for unique configurations. Installation is straightforward, with C-clamp and grommet mounting options included. The integrated cable management system ensures a clutter-free workspace and adds to the polished look of the setup. The mount-up stand is ideal for gamers, professionals, and anyone who requires a robust multi-monitor setup. Its heavy-duty design and gas spring functionality make it easy to customize and adapt for long hours of use. Pros include smooth adjustments, durable construction, and excellent versatility. Cons are the slightly bulky design and lack of a listed price, which may make it harder to compare directly with other models. Finally, at number 1, we have the Huanuo Triple Monitor Mount, the premium option on our list at $119.98. This stand supports monitors between 17 and 32 inches, with a weight range of 4.4 to 17.6 pounds per arm. The gas spring system ensures smooth, effortless adjustments for tilt, swivel, and rotation. You can position your monitors in landscape or portrait mode, making this mount incredibly versatile for both work and gaming setups. The design is sleek and professional, with alloy steel construction that feels robust and durable. The stand frees up valuable desk space by elevating your monitors, and the integrated cable management system keeps your workspace tidy and organized. Installation is simple, with both C-clamp and grommet mounting options included, allowing for secure placement on a variety of desk thicknesses. This stand is perfect for power users who demand high performance and ergonomic benefits. It's designed for long hours of productivity and gaming, offering unmatched adjustability and comfort. Pros include premium build quality, smooth gas spring adjustments, and excellent ergonomics. Cons are the higher price point and slightly heavier weight, which may require more effort during initial setup. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.